June 6, 1944, Sixth Day. One of the most daring military operations in history. Over 156,000 Allied troops stormed 5 beaches in Normandy. More than 5,000 ships and 11,000 aircraft supported the invasion. The goal: liberate Western Europe from Nazi control. Codename Operation Overlord. Beaches: Utah, Omaha, Gold, Juneau, Sword. First paratroopers dropped at 1 a.m. Casualties: approximately 10,000 Allied troops on day 1. D-Day marked the turning point of World War II. Remember their courage. Follow for more quick military history. Behind every operation, there were the minds that planned it. Generals like Eisenhower and Montgomery led the way. In the trenches, soldiers penned letters home, facing the unknown. Their bravery echoes across time. At night, stories were shared as they huddled together. Memories of home, dreams of peace. History remembers the day, we remember the heroes, lest we forget.